Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Aram, so you can chop it off and scoop it like that, huh?
Yes.
Angle it like this. So if you cut this and go 45 degrees, so I think you should be able to then see a bit more and to stop this off. It's enough, the height is enough. You don't need glass or anything. It's almost 25-30 feet.
Yes, we'll remove that parapet also.
Umtrew rangba au Conrad ke sangma ha kasi satjan ulalet jurup ya ka jingshna ya ka state zoo lani ya ka Jaka bari ya ki Mrad ki mreng ha Umtrew Riboy district. Hagani ka sngi u Conrad ula pentip ba ya ka jingtai hagani ka zoo en pendap hapo sapu san sngi ka ta hapo ubnai nai tung pad hadian balayo ya ka jingbet nak sarkar India la kami lenti ban Plie pat ba ya ka ni ka Jaka ri Mrad Hashwa ka khatsan Tarik Nailar arhajar ar Plie.
तो डिजाइन डिजाइन कैसा आप लोग का थोड़ा पुराना डिजाइन नहीं है ये? हाँ? Very सरकारी looks like a hospital to me. I hope you are going to make it look slightly more appealing. हाँ? Make sure थोड़ा सा हाँ make sure the design. You can show me the designs also. हाँ 3D design you have.
Kani ka state zoo ko dan ha ka khando ka ba lai spa eka bat ki Mrad ki bandan ha kani ka Jaka ken kuntop ye ki dingim ki skei ki mersiang ki sem hornbill ki labasa bat kandan ru ka Jaka ka ba kerpang na ka banta ki sem ki do ya ka ba antep kum ka bird sanctuary.
What I'm trying to say is that you have to start thinking from the tourist point of view.
Kadan ru ka jingthu banchnai ka wei ka pung na ka banta ki wei ki sem ki bawan hair na keleng ki Jaka bat an bu ru ye ki halok jiban.
When we took the
Kajingshna ka Meghalaya Zoological Park hakani ka Jaka ka long laipasan klor tingka bat ka benta ka baningkong ka basyongdor palat arpwe klor tingka lala ban pendep ka benta ka baar ka long khatsaw klor tingka kadang sa teng hagaju ka por ka sarkar Meghalaya ka dan jingthmu ban kringi kinong be tingka anda ka lala ban pendep ikijingte baro khanang banang panhe yakani ka project.
We have visited the zoo here, and this is the Meghalaya Zoological Park, and this was initiated in the year 2019, and in the last 3-4 years the work has been going on. Of course there were numerous challenges that were there along the way, but I'm happy to see that we have progressed to this point, and after my review today I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. So June and July we should be able to see the infrastructure being completed. And we are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August. So I'm hoping that before August 15th we're targeting. Of course we'll see how the progress goes, but a target date of before Independence Day, we're hopeful that this will start so that people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this particular zoo. We also intend that this zoo should be run in a professional manner. So we will take necessary steps to examine the possibilities for that. We also want this particular zoo to have other activities that are related to, especially for children and for families. And hence we will examine, there's a very large area of 200 plus acres, almost 300 acres of land is there. So hence we intend to utilize it and maximize the utility of this place to the most. But of course, at the end of the day, we have to ensure that it runs well, it is managed well, and the animals are kept safe, and they're given all the facilities, and the children and the families and the visitors who come to visit this place enjoy it, and we make it as user-friendly and tourist-friendly as possible. And therefore, the Forest Department will be the nodal as well as the administrative and the overall, the office or department that is going to look into the management and running of this place. But in order to ensure that we are able to run it in a professional manner, we would want, and different activities, we would want the involvement of entrepreneurs and private sector from the state to come in, and so that our boys and girls also can then get employment opportunities, because there'll be restaurants out here, there'll be different parking space which has to be managed, there'll be different children's park that'll be there, cafeteria will be there, the different emporium and different shops will be there, souvenir shops. So we feel strongly that all of this we can involve the local entrepreneurs and our young boys and girls to get the economical benefit of such activity. So this project is a total 35 crore project, and till now we have done the first phase, which is approximately 21 plus crores. So in the second phase, another 14 plus minus crores will be done. But apart from that, as I said, apart from government investment, we are hopeful that once we create the necessary infrastructure, we will get private investment also going. So this project will be far bigger than the 35 crores that we have planned.
We are above that.
This is yet to be acquired. Right? This is proposing inside this one. Water body everything will be this side.
जो आपका migratory birds के लिए
हाँ